How to repost someone's story on your Snapchat story. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to repost someone's story onto your Snapchat story. For that case, you just have to first of all go and log in into your Snapchat account, and when you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. Now if you go to the spotlight section, and here you can see this is how it's going to look like. So basically this is how it's going to look like. Now these are all the stories, but when you open it up, then you press the share button. You can only share it with your friends, but you cannot add it to your story. So this means Snapchat does not allow you to share story of others without them mentioning you. So what you have to do is you have to make sure that somebody has to mention you onto their story. And when you actually open up their Snapchat and then open up the chat where they have actually mentioned you, you'll have this feature as add story, and when you actually press on it, then you'll have successfully reposted someone's story onto your Snapchat story. So that is how you can repost someone's story. That is for this video.